How's it going, everybody? This is Mike, Mr. Tiny Timmons, coming to you with another episode of Tiny Home Tuesday, where every Tuesday I showcase a particular park model tiny home coming in at 399 square feet that we have available here at Recreational Resort Cottages. And this Tuesday, I'm bringing to you the Lark. Some of you may be saying, am I having deja vu? But it feels like I have seen the Lark before. That is true. But I've seen, since the release of that video a few months back, we've got some comments, some people saying, I love the Lark, Mr. Tiny, but I need one favor from you. One thing is all I ask. Can you make it wheelchair friendly? So it will be accessible to people of all ages. And this will be easy for people to get in and out, front to back, side to side in the Lark. And I said, you know what? Let's make that happen for you. So we got it right here in that option today. Now, the first Lark was a contemporary style. To change it up a bit, we've put this Lark in a cabin style. Now, this home is 11 feet wide. It's 41 feet in length, including the 6-foot front porch. And it's on sale, as you see it today, for $64K. $64,000 to the first person that hits me up and wants the Lark in a cabin style, which is also wheelchair friendly. So this home is a great layout, all starting here in the living area. As you can see, I've got the built-in entertainment center here for you. Since we went in the cabin style, you already know that we got to go with the hickory cabinets. Hickory cabinets, we got the nickel fixtures on there. We've also got the high definition laminate countertops to make the entertainment center great for your TV. So you can watch, great gentlemen like this fella right here on Recreational Resort Cottages YouTube channel. So guys, wouldn't this be a nice view to come home to and when you're in your new Lark? I think so. But you can see right here behind this, we've also got the accent wall in Southern Yellow Pine. We will have a few accent walls in here to be exact, but they're all Southern Yellow Pine, treated in a clear coat. So it's clear sealed with that natural pine look. You can also see around your trim of your windows, which we chose to go up top with half-size picture windows. Those are great, bringing in the natural light. And did I say something about accent pine? Take it to the upper room. The upper room right there, so you can see we got a tray ceiling in the Lark with the pine inserts. We've already got it wired and braced for a ceiling fan. We have the can lights wrapped around that tray ceiling. Great finishes here. This has 11-foot side walls. You can play a game of basketball in here, put a basketball goal up, and still have a few more inches in your Lark. This is a great option if you want to feel open and airy. You do not need a loft. You need everything on the main level. Hey, talk to me about the Lark. And you'll see right here, we've got the Texas Star door right here up front. We've got the big window right there to the side, and it wraps around to your living area. You'll see we got the double windows here, and again with the double half-size picture windows up above. You've got plenty of space here. You got the small couch. You can easily do a couple of chairs in here. The options are endless. Speaking of endless options, follow me over here to the dining section. You got the place to do it right here in the Lark. A whole designated area in under 400 square feet, 399 square feet to be exact, and you have a space to have a dining room table in your tiny home. Where they do that at? Recreational Resort Cottages with Mr. Tiny. That's where it's going to happen at. We've had the model before where we've had a hutch in here, built-in hutch. We chose to omit that option so you can see that you can do with or without. What you can do as well is another accent wall. So we went ahead and threw that up there as well, running all the way up. And you'll see right there that we've got the mini split AC and heat system. It's a little cold outside, so you see we got the heat on. But guess what? Listen. Cricket, cricket, you don't hear nothing because this is energy efficient heating in this home. This is a great option that you'll see in a lot of our park model tiny homes. You'll have one of these in the main area, another one in the master bedroom, and it is a great option if you're looking to downsize and you want energy efficiency. Now keep on moving this way. You can see we've got a galley style kitchen. Remember, I told you the difference between this Lark and the last one is this is a little bit more wheelchair friendly for you. So you can see right here, we've got the roll up sink right here in your kitchen. We've again kept the hickory cabinets going throughout. We've got the open face cubbies up above so you can store things, as you can see here, like your pots, pans, whatever you need to. And then the backsplash, instead of a traditional tile, we chose to go with a southern yellow pine backsplash to go ahead and match the rest of the home. And you see right here, we chose to go with the white appliances, something different. We usually go with a black appliance option on the cabin style. So we chose to go with a white option on this, and you can see everything is wheelchair accessible as well. You can see this smooth top oven here for you. And then you've got the fridge right here, standard fridge, freezer up top, fridge down below in white as well. Now, if you see right here, let's open up this pocket door. Again, 36-inch interior doors. So Shaq himself can come through here and post up if he needed to. You got enough space to do it right here. You got things like the roll-up sink. You got things like the assist bars on your toilet area. And behind curtain number 1, you got the roll-in shower. Everybody get your roll on. You got it right here in your shower. You got the assist bar here, assist bar there. You got the seat that you can sit down on, do everything you need to do, come right back up. You got the detachable sprayer right here that you can sit here, get through all your spots. You put that back up like so, and then what do? Add more half-size picture windows just because we can. Just because we can. That's why we did it, just because we can. So we added that in there, and you can see we flow on back. We got great options like this right here. We've got the pot and pan rack right here in the hallway for you. Additional storage. We got plenty of options in here. Remember, you're going tiny, so we want to have several options for you to store things. Speaking of storage, was I just talking about that? I think I was. How about you got more storage right here? We chose to do this in a pantry option. As you can see, if you look right here, there are already connections for a washing machine and dryer. If you wanted to, this can be converted into your stackable washing machine and dryer space. Since this home is actually a rental, which I'll tell you about a little later that you can rent as well, then we don't really need a washer and dryer because we have a laundromat on site that you can go to. So this particular model, we chose to add the shelves so that way you've got more storage space. A lot of people always wonder, in the pantries, in the storage, in the hall, can we fit things like brooms, Swippers, everything like that? Look, let it speak for itself. Read it and weep. You can see right there that you can make it happen. And you can close that back like so and come on back through the 36-inch interior door to your bedroom. And you see right here, what we do, add another accent wall here off the back to just bring that cabin feel to life. This is great. And the reason being is because we did not stain it. And since we did not stain it, it still feels so open and airy. And oh my gosh, am I granting all your wishes? Am I giving you all the options? I don't know, but how about you look up one more time? Look at that. Another tray ceiling in your bedroom of a tiny home. 2 tray ceilings in a tiny home? I don't know what other channels y'all watching, but y'all ain't been watching recreational resort cottages because ain't nobody doing it like we do it here. You can see right here as well, we got the bed in here. This is a full-size bed in here, so you can see how much space you have to work with in your bedroom as well. Again, we chose to go with the half-size picture windows on both sides. You come right over here, you'll see you got another identical set right across with the window down below. And then, great thing about it, we usually have built-in closets, everything like here. We didn't do it. We didn't do it in this model. We chose to go with the bifold door, and you got the traditional closet here to the side. So you can see that you got the space as well. If anybody's asking what this bump up is right here, that's going to be your hot water heater. So you've got that tucked in right there also. So this is a great option for you guys if y'all are looking for a one level tiny home. You do not need the loft. Hey, the Lark is looking like the one you might need to call me about. Especially, look at these hallways right here. Look at this. Look at this. Slide to the left. Take it back now, y'all. One hop this time. Don't make me do it. Don't make me do it because I can in the Lark. I'm telling you, follow me this way. You come right here and you see it opens up, and then we'll take it out to what? I got more surprises. I told you we got a 6-foot front porch, but that ain't the only thing I'm giving to you. Come outside right here. And where are we at? We are at Hidden Forest Lake right here in Campbell, Texas. Because again, this is another model that you can get in the try and buy program. So right here is an option that you can have. You can see that we've got the 6-foot porch with the privacy slats on each side. So you've got those options right there to block off that. We've got the 2 LED can lights on the interior of the porch. It's already wired and braced for a ceiling fan. And I know you see this right here. I know you see this. Look at this. Ramp. We got the ramp. These are the options you can add to your tiny home. I know nobody else is showing you this, but I want to show you where you can live and be comfortable and love to come home to your tiny home in something like this. Look at it. Composite decking on your ramp. You don't have to stain that. You don't have to maintain that. You're good to go. Real quick, look at the exterior siding of this. We chose to go with the stained mahogany siding on this particular model. You can see right here that we've got that on your exterior base and the trim around your doors and windows. And again, you can see right here, guys, this is awesome. Cedar, real cedar. Don't make me do it one more time. Look at that, real cedar. Nobody else can do that on theirs. They'll kick it across the street if they try to do that on that fake plastic they be putting on their porches. Come on in here and you can see right here when you come back into the Lark, this is a great model. Again, if you're currently in the market for a tiny home, this one checks so many boxes, and I can't say it enough because this is 399 square feet of tiny home goodness. Again, I'm telling you, it's 11 feet wide, 41 feet in length, including that 6-foot front porch that I showed you. On sale today for $64K, $64,000, and you get the cabin style Lark exactly as you see it. So I want to thank you for tuning in to another Tiny Home Tuesday with me, Mike, Mr. Tiny Timmons. Again, remember to smash the like button. It gets our videos out there so you can be sitting at home looking at things like this and having your friends doing the same thing on their TV, looking at the Recreational Resort Cottages channel because we have hundreds of videos of different models that we're providing. Also, comment. Let me know what you love about the Lark, what you want to see in the future. That's exactly where this Lark came from. A comment. We listened to you and we brought it to life. Also, subscribe. If you're subscribed like you should be, then you are a family member. You're one of my brothers and sisters because I love you for that, and you are the first to be notified anytime a video drops. If you're not subscribed, you better do so, or you might not get invited to the holiday gathering if you're not subscribed. Also, follow me on Instagram at @TheMrTiny, at TheMrTiny, and you can connect with I anytime. Send them right off my Instagram, guys. If you want to buy the Lark or another model that you've seen online, DM me, comment, reach out to me. That is my direct contact where you can contact me day or night. I'm not hidden behind a whole bunch of websites and phone lines and all that. You can contact me directly and I will get back to you with any inquiries that you may have. Also, big shout out. Tiny Home Tuesday shout out to a big fan, Curtis Johnson, who's out of Michigan, Detroit to be exact, has reached out. He has liked, comment, subscribed to the videos. He's also went over to my Instagram, went and liked my most recent post and left a comment saying YouTube brought me here. So I have been brought here to you, Curtis, to say thank you and give you a shout out for being a part of the family and for showing your support all the way from Michigan. So keep on watching and I appreciate you so much. If you are looking for a shout out, all you got to do is the simple things. Just go over to my Instagram, give me a follow, also leave a comment saying YouTube brought me here, and that is your entry right there. As long as you do that, hey, I'm reaching out and I'm gonna pick somebody every week, every Tiny Home Tuesday to show my support and that I appreciate you. But until then, I wanna thank you for tuning in to another Tiny Home Tuesday with me, Mike, Mr. Tiny Timmons, and I'll see you next Tiny Home Tuesday.